Welcome to Best Choice. The best bread scoring tool is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked instruments in a baker's arsenal, transforming a simple loaf into a work of art with precise, beautiful scores that not only enhance its visual appeal but also control its expansion during baking, ensuring a superior crust and crumb structure. This humble tool, wielded with intention, can elevate your homemade bread from good to absolutely stunning, making every slice a testament to your dedication and skill in the kitchen. Number 5. Kook 9-inch 12-piece sourdough bread proofing basket kit. Unlock your inner artisan baker with this complete 12-piece sourdough kit. It includes everything you need to rise, portion, and score your bread like a pro, making your sourdough journey simple and enjoyable. Each basket measures 9 inches in diameter and 3.5 inches deep, perfect for loaves up to 2 pounds. The natural rattan shape creates beautiful boule loaves with signature artisan ring patterns. Whether you're a seasoned sourdough enthusiast or just starting out, this kit is for you. It comes with a beginner's guide to help you succeed, making it ideal for any baker. These baskets are designed for proofing, helping to absorb excess moisture for a superior crust. They create those coveted artisan ring patterns, elevating your bread's appearance. Unlike plastic bowls, our natural rattan baskets absorb moisture for better crust formation. This kit is more complete than single basket sets, offering everything you need to master bread making. The included linen liners are machine washable for easy care. The baskets nest together for compact storage, fitting easily into any dry cabinet or pantry. What we like? This kit offers a comprehensive solution for aspiring sourdough bakers. It includes 2 proofing baskets, liners, multiple scrapers, and a scoring lane with spare blades. If you are just starting your sourdough journey and want an all-in-one package to minimize the overwhelm of gathering individual tools, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The 2 banadins smelt and look nice, and they, when floured, I used white rice flour, let the dough come out very easily and nicely with no need for cleaning and with the lovely rings on them. The lame has worked great so far. I've not yet had to change the blade, even though I've played around with it. It looks easy to replace, and the leather cover is nice. The scoring lame came with stainless steel blades and hold up under pressure. I previously ordered a scoring lame from another company. It arrived with flimsy blades that fell apart when I used it. Number 4. Kiss Core Upgraded Bread Slicer. Achieve perfectly uniform slices of bread, bagels, and cakes with our innovative bread slicer. Its adjustable width ensures you get the ideal thickness every time, cutting all the way to the bottom. Crafted from superior quality, heat-resistant PP plastic, this slicer is designed for durability. It's reusable and built to withstand frequent use, unlike ordinary plastic or wooden alternatives. This guide is designed for various loaf sizes, including 2-pound loaves and taller breads. You can select from 6 different widths to perfectly fit baguettes, small or large loaves. Keep your kitchen clean with the integrated crumb catching tray. It neatly collects all crumbs, eliminating countertop messes, and can even double as a serving tray. When not in use, it disassembles and stacks flat for easy storage. Tuck it away neatly in drawers or cabinets, making it ideal for any kitchen size. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This bread slicer is perfect for holidays, birthdays, or any occasion for the home baker in your life. What we like? This slicer guide is designed for achieving uniform slices with ease. Its adjustable width accommodates various bread sizes, and the integrated crumb tray keeps your counter clean. If you frequently bake loaves of different sizes or prefer consistent slicing without the mess, this tool will streamline your process. What people say. The design makes it so easy to put together and take apart. Just 3 pieces to set into the base. It has a crumb tray. It gives me perfectly consistent slices every time and helps everything last longer. I also love that you can adjust the width depending on your bread size by simply moving the cutting guides between the slats. Super easy and practical depending on what we need that week. I actually use this for cutting Spam into 3 equal parts which I cook on an indoor grill. I calorie count and like the 3 parts to be as equal as possible. The best things about this product is its adjustability and durability. Number 3. ABIOTO Sourdough Bread Baking Supplies 14-piece kit. This all-inclusive kit has everything you need to refine your bread baking process like an artisan. Unbox and bake, it's as simple as that. Ditch the flimsy, embrace the sturdy. Skillfully woven from top-tier Indonesian rattan, our proofing basket stands the test of time, offering reliability batch after batch. Awaken the artisan baker in you. These aren't just tools, they are companions for your baking journey. Elevate your skill, impress your guests, and relish the accolades. Unite your family over the wholesome aroma of homemade sourdough. This kit is your passport to healthy, home-baked goodness that's both fun to make and joy to share. Our kit includes easy-to-follow instructions. Plus, we've got you covered with a free replacement or refund for any defects. We're all about happy bakers. What we like. This set provides a robust introduction to artisan bread making with both round and oval proofing baskets. Crafted from durable Indonesian rattan, it ensures reliability for consistent results. If you're looking to experiment with different loaf shapes or want a durable, high-quality starter kit, this option is perfect for elevating your baking game. What people say. The bread scorer tool is very sharp and makes clean cuts. It is easy to hold and control, allowing for precise scoring. The design is ergonomic and comfortable to use, even for extended periods. Number 2. BAVIFY Sourdough Starter Kit. Embark on your bread baking adventure with our comprehensive sourdough starter kit. It includes all the essential tools for mixing, shaping, and baking, making artisan bread creation simple and enjoyable. Crafted from 100% natural Indonesian rattan, our proofing baskets are free from dyes and chemicals. Experience premium quality that elevates your baking with confidence. Achieve perfect texture and a crispy crust effortlessly. Our Banatan baskets are designed for convenience, and cleanup is a breeze, ensuring a mess-free kitchen. This complete kit provides everything necessary for sourdough success. From proofing baskets and liners to essential tools like a dough whisk, scraper, and scoring tool, you're all set. Ideal for anyone passionate about bread baking, this kit makes a wonderful gift for any occasion. Share the joy and comfort of homemade, oven-fresh bread with loved ones. What we like. This kit simplifies the entire bread-making process, from mixing to baking, with all necessary tools included. The natural rattan baskets are designed for convenience and easy cleanup. If you value a straightforward, user-friendly experience and want to achieve perfect texture and a crispy crust effortlessly, this set is ideal for you. What people say. The 9 round and 10 oval banatans are the perfect sizes for standard loaves, and they give that beautiful, classic spiral pattern once baked. The baskets feel sturdy and well-made, not flimsy or loosely woven. My dough releases cleanly with a light dusting of flour, and the shape holds beautifully during proofing. Number 1. Suanyok Dough Scraper 2-piece set. Introducing a versatile kitchen tool designed to make your baking preparation easier. This set is perfect for a variety of tasks in the kitchen. Crafted from durable, lightweight, food-grade plastic, these tools are non-toxic and reusable. We prioritize your health by using the best quality materials. Its design is ideal for scraping, shoveling, and cutting various ingredients like cream, cake, dough, and pizza. It meets all your baking needs with ease. The non-stick surface ensures you can easily remove and shape dough from bowls without leaving any residue behind. Get every last bit with these scrapers. Cleaning is a breeze thanks to the non-stick material. Simply wash with warm water or place them in the dishwasher. They are lightweight, strong, and flexible for convenient storage. What we like. This set of dough scrapers is made from durable, food-grade plastic, perfect for a variety of kitchen tasks. Their non-sticky surface ensures easy removal of dough and batter from bowls without residue. If you need reliable, easy-to-clean tools for scraping, shaping, or cutting dough, cream, and cakes, this flexible and powerful set is a great addition to your kitchen. What people say. The fact that they all store together is the cherry on top for those of us with limited drawer space. My favorite scraper, easy to handle in my hands, bendable, flexible but firm. Handy that plastic scraper stores inside metal scraper. Metal scraper is very sharp and easily cuts into bread dough if you want to divide dough into pieces. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.